In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Pipedrive CRM. So Pipedrive is a highly popular CRM platform designed specifically for sales teams, providing tools to manage leads, track customer interactions, and automate various sales processes. So its intuitive interface and pipeline-focused approach make it ideal for businesses looking to streamline their sales workflow. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the essential features of Pipedrive, helping beginners get a comprehensive understanding of how to use it. So let's get started. So now when you create an account or sign in to your account on Pipedrive, this is how the dashboard will look like. So you will automatically be redirected to the deals section of your Pipedrive CRM. So first, let's talk about all of the options and features right here in the left-hand side. So first, let's go on leads. So from here, you will see leads inbox. So if you already have a lead, you will see all of their messages right here. So this is the leads inbox. Next is live chat. So you can activate the lead booster right here. So lead booster provides you powerful ways to get more leads. So this is a feature of Pipedrive. So it's like a subscription. Next is chatbot. So again, you need to activate lead booster for this. So in lead booster, they also have web forms and prospector. Next is add-ons. So you will see web visitors. Again, you need to subscribe for this feature. So you will see you can uncover hot leads and hidden opportunities amongst companies visiting your sites. And next is messaging. So this is still a beta feature of Pipedrive. So they will integrate Messenger to your Pipedrive CRM. And also when we go back to leads inbox, of course, from here you can always add your new leads by inputting their name, their organization, title, their value, labels, their phone and their email, and simply click on save when you're done. Now let's head over to deals. So from here, you'll see a table-like forms. So as you can see, these are just some sample deals. So we can change it to list form. We can always change it to the pipeline form. So as you can see, I have a table here that's called qualified. So let's click on a card. So this is all of the information about this deals. So we have the price right here, the organization, and you can add the details also right here, their source, and the contact information of this person. You can always add also their organization, their products. You will see the overview right here, and so on. And as you can see right here in the top right, if you're already done with this deal, now you will know if you've won or lost. So you can simply click here. So let's say lost. And now just add the reason, click on my markets lost. And when we go back to our deals, as you can see, it's now gone. It's because it's already lost. So it will automatically remove that deals from here. We'll also see contact made, demo schedule, proposal made, negotiation started. Now let's move on to projects. So from here, you can create your projects. You can always watch this Pipedrive tutorial right here. And again, this is a subscription feature. Now let's go to campaigns. Now from here in campaigns, we can always send email marketing campaigns to our contacts or our leads. So we can bring marketing and sales under one roof with the campaigns add-on. So this is like you can create newsletters or emails that will boost your name to your leads and contacts. Next, let's go to sales inbox. So from here, you will see when you connect your email, you will see all of the messages from your emails right here. So you can link your sales emails to your deals, leads, and contacts just right here. So whenever all of your deals, your leads, or your contacts send you messages, you'll always see it right here. You can always also create emails from here to send to your deals, your leads, and contacts. So don't bother opening your own email account to send emails. You can always do it in the Pipedrive. Now let's go to activities. So here you'll always see your activities just right here. Let's say you can also sync your calendars right here. So click on Open Calendar Sync, and you can connect your Google Calendar to your Pipedrive account. As you can see, these are the activities. So it has this call icon right here. So it means you have a scheduled call for this specific person. Also right here, a proposal. So just click it. So when you click it, you will see the information or the details of this specific activity. Always set the priority right here to low, medium, or high. And you can always change also the activity to call, meeting, task, deadline, email, or lunch. So this is just like your calendar for Pipedrive. Now let's head over to contacts. You can see all of your contacts will appear right here. You can always add new contacts by clicking right here. Add the name, organization, their phone, their email. Next is organizations. You will see all of the organizations that you have added. And again, you can always add new ones. Next is contacts timeline. So this is just like a graph on how you interact with your contact. So if it's red, we can say that this contact is highly prioritized or something like that. Now let's go to our insights. From here, we will see detailed graphs and charts about our performance. So when we select my dashboard, you will see all of this. What's good about this insights section right here is you can always customize this. As you can see, there's this arrow icon. It's just drag and drop. As you can see, we can arrange it to whatever how we want to arrange it. So if you want to see the deals won over time always in the top, we can always move it to the top. And you will see reports right here. Deal conversion, you'll always see this performance metrics right here. Next is products. So you'll see all of your products right here if you have added those. Also, you can always add new products. Next is marketplace. So as you can see here in marketplace, you can always connect different kinds of tools. As you can see, they are integrated with Zapier, Google Meet, PandaDoc, Surf, Dedupli, and you can always search for tools that you want to connect with your Pipedrive account. And I think that's basically it. So that's all of the features of Pipedrive. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.